Hello, everyone. Yes, yes, look at me. Don't be shy. I am the same brand new 2025 Tiguan, still smelling of the factory and ambition. You people look at me and see 1.8 tons of German engineering, style, and the loan for the next 5 years. But you have no idea what I had to go through to shine like this in front of you. You think I was born perfect? Ha! I have a couple of stories for you, straight from the assembly line.
It all started in Wolfsburg. Imagine thousands of naked bodies just like me, a faceless gray mass. And then we are taken to the paint shop. Let me tell you, it's a local beauty salon and passport office rolled into one. They give you color, which means character. I always saw myself in this deep, intelligent, metallic blue. But the system failed. For a split second, something clicked in the code, and the system decided that I should be bright yellow. Turmeric yellow. Can you imagine? Me, a solid, technologically advanced crossover, and the color of an overgrown chicken. My future parking sensors are already starting to panic. Luckily, Gunther stepped in, the legendary mustachioed line operator. He slapped the terminal, rebooted the system, and saved my reputation. Gunther, if you can hear me, thanks, bro. I owe you one.
The next stage is the wedding. This is when my body is married to the chassis with the engine. My heart, a brand new TSI, was already waiting for me downstairs. But next to me on the line was an Italian. No, not a Persian. A container with DSG gearboxes. And you know what? They were arguing there.
I'm not kidding. The robot loader tried to take one box and the system screamed at it. No, take another one. This one is for the Passat. Mamma mia! There was some kind of confusion with the part numbers. The whole line stopped for 5 minutes. Everyone was watching this Italian scandal. I was already thinking that they would screw a variator from a moped onto me. But the Germans are Germans. Order 1. I got my native, ideal DSG. But the slight Italian accent in the gear shifts, it seems to me, remained, especially in the sport mode. I'm not kidding. The robot loader tried to take one box and the system screamed at it. No, take another one. This one is for the Passat. Mamma mia! There was some kind of confusion with the part numbers. The whole line stopped for 5 minutes. Everyone was watching this Italian scandal. I was already thinking that they would screw a variator from a moped onto me. But the Germans are Germans. Order 1. I got my native, ideal DSG. But the slight Italian accent in the gear shifts, it seems to me, remained, especially in the sport mode.
And here is the finale. When all the panels were installed on me, all the liquids were poured in and protective films were applied. It's like graduation. They examine you from all sides. Hundreds of eyes and lasers, checking every gap, every stitch on the seats. And then, the first start of the engine. Oh, that moment. You take your first breath, your pixels on the dashboard come to life for the first time, and you understand. You are ready. I was sent to the final test track. A couple of laps, checking all the systems. My adaptive cruise control saw another car for the first time, and the parking system was so nervous that even the camera seemed to sweat. But I managed. Got an excellent and a ticket to a new life. A ticket to you. So next time you get behind the wheel of your car, just know, it's not just a piece of iron. It has its own story. Maybe it almost turned yellow too, or survived a small international conflict on the assembly line. And now, shall we go? We have many more stories to tell together, and I promise they will be no less interesting.